Mitosis, it's a nuclear division, meaning it's a division that happens in the nucleus. Nuclear division gives rise to genetically identical daughter cells. Identical daughter cells. So they're identical to the parent. They mean that they're identical to the parents as well as identical to themselves. They have the same alleles as parent. Also, they happen in all body cells. Each cell is going to have a diploid chromosome. So diploid cells, the daughter cells obviously are diploid. They contain diploid number of chromosomes, which is a full set or two sets of chromosomes. Examples is going to be for asexual reproduction, growth, or tissue repairing. During cloning, what is cloning? The cloning of lymphocytes when they carry active immunity. So, and then replacing damaged cells, like when you heal the wound or the scab, you find the scab is gradually disappearing or that you're starting to heal. Replacing of damaged cells. So replacement of damaged cells, cloning, growth, tissue repairing, and asexual reproduction. And then we here have meiosis. Meiosis is also nuclear division because we have in both nucleus. A division without a nucleus is not called a nuclear division. So I can't say that division of bacteria, for example, is mitosis or meiosis. It's neither of them. It's something called binary fission, even though that bacteria gives rise also to genetically identical daughter cells, but it's without a nucleus, so I can't say it's mitosis. I say it's binary fission, asexual reproduction. So nuclear division, it's actually nuclear reduction, division as well. Why reduction? Because number of chromosomes. Let me change this to green. Number of chromosomes is reduced or halved from diploid to haploid, like from 46 in human to 23 chromosomes. And then, so they are going to be showing genetic variation as the daughter cells are genetically non-identical. Genetically non-identical, daughter cells can be gametes, or are always gametes. So, if they're genetically non-identical, so they have different alleles than or compared to the parent. Usually, to imagine it, we say that, as an example, for genetically non-identical daughter cells are produced in mitosis only two. Also, we say that the nucleus of daughter cells is haploid, having a haploid number of chromosomes. Role, it's in sexual reproduction. As we know that sexual reproduction involves gametes formation. It's responsible for genetic variation. Because of that, we don't use mitosis to produce gametes, genetic variation. Plus, it ensures genetic stability. How? By avoiding the doubling of chromosomes each generation. And also upon fertilization or fusion of male and female gametes, or male or female nuclei, male and female gamete, we have that the diploid number of chromosomes is restored in zygote. Is restored. We say that its original diploid number. Why do we say original? Because the parent had diploid, or yes, as you saw that the parent had diploid, the parent cell had diploid. So the zygote, the original diploid number of chromosomes is restored. And also, to explain mitosis and meiosis in graphs, we say that before mitosis or meiosis, there's something common between them, which is the doubling of DNA. I have here so it's going to be like this. I have doubling. Originally, they were only here. There were only these. These were in the parent cell, but there had been doubling of DNA. So they get doubled, so they can be either mitosis or meiosis. At mitosis, this cell as you can see, is going to divide into two daughter cells, which are, as we said, genetically identical. As you can see, they're genetically identical, similar to the original parent, which was before without these highlighted parts. However, in meiosis, I have one will produce 4. Make them smaller. Produce 4. Four that are genetically non-identical. How? They have different arrangement. Like here, I'm going to divide the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 12 over the 4, so 3 strands in each. This is just by drawing, but actually everyone's going to be 23, 23, 23. How? Because of this was double the original. This was 2 times 46, which is 92, right? 2 times 46, which is the original diploid number of chromosomes, so it's 92. Then the 92 is going to divide over 4, so it's 23 for each cell. Each cell will have different pattern. Of strands. Oh. Here. Like that, and so on. So you produce genetically. See, they're not the same. If you compare them, they're not identical. So this is a simple scheme to explain meiosis mitosis process.